How are arrowheads affected by different soil types? Have you ever wondered how the soil beneath our feet can impact ancient artifacts like arrowheads? The type of soil can play a significant role in the preservation and recovery of these fascinating stone tools. Let's take a closer look at how different soil types affect arrowheads. First, let's talk about clay soils. These soils are dense and can create a protective barrier around artifacts. By sealing them from oxygen and moisture, clay can slow down the degradation process. However, this same density can make excavation tricky. Removing artifacts from clay can sometimes lead to unintentional damage, so archaeologists must be careful. Next, we have sandy soils. These soils are loose and well-drained, which can be a double-edged sword. While they are easier to excavate, this loose structure can also lead to erosion. Over time, artifacts buried in sandy soils may be lost or damaged due to shifting sands. Then there are gravelly soils. Similar to sandy soils, gravelly soils provide good drainage. However, the presence of gravel can complicate excavation efforts. The larger particles can potentially scratch or break artifacts during recovery, so archaeologists need to use specific techniques to avoid this. Another interesting type of soil is volcanic soil. Found in regions with volcanic activity, these soils are often rich in nutrients and well-drained. However, their unique composition can affect the chemical stability of certain materials. This means that artifacts like arrowheads may undergo changes in condition due to the soil they are buried in. Understanding how soil types affect arrowheads is essential for archaeologists. It helps them choose excavation sites wisely, ensuring they select locations that are likely to preserve artifacts well. Additionally, knowing the soil type allows for the use of appropriate excavation techniques. This minimizes the risk of damage during recovery. Once artifacts are recovered, the soil conditions they were exposed to can inform conservation efforts. Different soils may require specific preservation methods to maintain the integrity of the artifacts. In summary, the interaction between arrowheads and soil types is a vital aspect of archaeology. The type of soil can influence the condition, recovery, and preservation of these ancient tools. By understanding these relationships, archaeologists can better protect and study our historical artifacts.